On the top left-hand corner, there's a little map, and it shows a yellow trail moving along exactly where I was walking. So you guys have an idea where I was each time I showed the video. There's a big rock here, so if you pass that coming up, you're close to the switchback. It's a good marker stone to tell you if you're on the right course and how far you are. And this is the switchback right there where those people are. Okay, so we just finished doing the first switchback. She's vertical. There's another big rock after the switchback. Okay, we're at our second switchback, and we're just coming up here, around the corner here. It's quite a hike up this mountain. Okay, here's Mirror Lake. Well, I just passed Mirror Lake and I'm halfway to Angus Lake, but I'm getting tired. And there's this one switchback right here where all the rocks are, and there's a huge opening here. It is beautiful. Down there is where Lake Louise, that big hotel thing, is just down there. Can't see it because it's trees are covering the area where it is. It's somewhere in here. It is beautiful. You can start to see some blue sky. The snow blizzard's starting to go away. There is a teacup cabin at Angus Lake. However, it is closed during the winter time. There's other people up there right now still yet. I'm being told I just passed down on the way off. That is quite a hike. I'm straight across, level with that. So I'm that line, that high up to this mountain. I'm like that high. That's quite a hike. Whew. Well, I drained both of my batteries on my GoPro coming up here. The second battery was totally drained by the time I got to Mirror Lake. So yeah, it's good to bring extra batteries. Preferably 4 batteries for your GoPro, especially when you're coming out here to Lake Louise. 4 or more. So that way, especially in the winter time. It's so beautiful here. It's not fun. It's just beautiful. Just amazing. Anyways, I'm going to start heading back down. So, yeah. It's amazing. Well, I'm back from up there. And my GoPro batteries died, and it looks like my GoPro is freezing up too. It's not that cold, it's just that I came down so fast.